Hey, Lightning! Did you hear?
Yes, 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 yes! No.
The Truck Show. We're gonna show you what we know. We're gonna answer what the truck. 'Cause truck rhymes with The Truck Show. We have the lifted, we have the lowered, and everything in between. We'll talk about trucks that run on diesel and the ones that run on gasoline. The Truck Show, the Truck Show, the Truck Show, whoa, whoa.
It's The Truck Show with your hosts, Lightning and Holman.
This episode of the Truck Show podcast, Have You Heard? Is proudly presented by Nissan. With the Frontier, Titan, and Titan XD, Nissan has a truck for every need, along with the legendary Nissan durability. Test drive your next truck at a local Nissan dealer today, or point your browser to nissanusa.com, where you can use the build and price tool to configure a Nissan truck that fits your lifestyle.
And when you're thinking about adding power or improving fuel economy, Banks has over 65 years of experience. Whether it's cold air intakes or exhaust systems, tuning, throttle control, charge air cooling, lubrication components, and much more, no one offers smarter, safer, 50-state emissions-compliant performance parts than Gale Banks. You'll find the best engineered parts for your truck at bankspower.com.
And when you're looking for quality, full synthetic lubrication for your truck, AMSOIL has you covered with motor oil, lubricants and protectants, grease, additives, and more. AMSOIL synthetic lubricants deliver wear protection, engine cleanliness, and fuel efficiency that conventional oils simply can't match. Find out how AMSOIL synthetic lubricants can save you money and time by helping your vehicles run better and last longer than with conventional oils at AMSOIL.com. When it comes to lubrication, AMSOIL, the first in synthetics.
EGR now celebrating their 50th anniversary as a leading manufacturer of truck and SUV accessory products with headquarters right here in the good old US of A. As an Australian-owned, family-run business with humble beginnings, EGR is now a global leader in the automotive accessory industry. If you're looking for window visors, fender flares, tonneau covers, lights, hood guards, and more, you'll find them all at EGRUSA.com.
I mean, Lightning, have you heard?
Welcome to Barnes and No!
No, I haven't. What you got, Holmes?
In my driveway, as you read this, will be a 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor.
Wait, excuse me, what? Say that again
And then
slower.
I'll have it for 10 days.
Wait a minute.
In fact, by the time we get back from the airport from our trip to visit our friends at AMSOIL,
yeah, we're already
it'll
back.
be in my driveway when
back
we
now.
get back.
Yes.
Yeah. And then I'm going to be driving it
Bronco Raptor
to Colorado and Utah and wheeling it and then driving it home.
So the whole 10 days you're going to have it, it will be nowhere near Lightning.
Nowhere near Lightning at all.
That is not cool.
Even close.
Even a little bit cool. None of that's cool.
Oh, well, what is cool is that if you live outside of California, for $825, so Ford Performance goes, hey!
They say it like that?
I don't know, probably. They said, hey, listen, we understand that you guys like performance. And my guess is that somebody somewhere was like, hey, this should be the tune of the Raptor, but we couldn't make it past 50 state emissions. So for those of you in 49 states, if you want to go to your dealer, we'll let you upgrade. Oh, it'll have a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, and it passed all of our internal durability tests, so you're good to go. So for $825, you can unlock 50 horsepower and 106 pound-feet of torque from the Ranger Raptor. That brings it to a healthy 455 horse and 536 pound-feet of torque.
Yeah, buddy.
You also get a sharper throttle response, improved gear selection because the automatic transmission has been tuned to enable a more powerful driving experience.
Dang.
All right, and now going to the, I think it's the 22 to 24 Bronco Raptor, you can also get it. Now they have a little bit different horsepower and torque output. So this one goes additional 37 horsepower and 96 pound-feet of torque. That brings it to 455, 536 also.
Same price?
Same price. So the two Bronco Raptors, the Ranger and the Bronco, now have the same output if you go with the Ford Performance tune, flash, whatever.
I love that
rather than being different vehicles.
I love that these new vehicles are like they're like apps on your iPhone and your Android, where they just like kind of the gift that keeps giving. Like, oh, we've updated it, and for this you can, for a couple more bucks, we give you more power or more.
Dude, for $825 for a factory authorized tune, 536 pound-feet of torque in a midsize truck.
Yeah,
like why wouldn't you?
You would. You should.
Like here's the thing. Everybody keeps asking me the same question. They're like, I'm looking at midsize trucks. I want like one of the high performance ones. So I'm going to look at a Ford Ranger Raptor, or I'm looking at a Bison ZR2. And I'm like, I wish you could put the Ford powertrain in the Chevy, because the Chevy's really good, but they don't change the gearing from like a 342, even with the 35-inch tires. And there's turbo lag, and it's a dog, relatively speaking, where the Ranger Raptor's like, let's go.
Okay.
On 33s, though. And I'm like, I wish there was a turbo V6 option or something more for the Colorado, because that's such a great truck. I don't know.
No, I mean, you're not going to get your wish.
It's one of those things. Like, I don't.
Here you have Ford. They just keep giving. They're like,
Well, that's the thing.
and
it's
what's
like,
great is they found a profit center too. Like they can $1,000 round up and say it's $1,000. It's 8 something, but
for
like
5,000 vehicles, let's say.
plus tax, whatever. Yeah, and it's like they're making some money. The owners are going to flaunt that.
They'd be happy.
Yeah.
So would you rather have a slower, pokier, bigger tired truck, or a faster, smaller tired truck?
Run that by me again.
Would you rather have a bigger tired truck that's
Yeah.
pokier and porkier and slower?
Yeah.
Or would you rather have a smaller tired truck that is like way more power than you need?
It depends what you want to use
know.
it for.
I don't know.
Because I've had both,
And we know that
I enjoy both.
We know that the Raptor won some races too, but I
Yeah.
guess so did the ZR2. So I don't know. I'm a toss up. I really like both trucks. I also like our Nissan,
So if
and
you
I like
had,
all three of them better than the Tacoma.
but if you had the money and you had to spend it today, or the money goes away, which one are you buying?
I don't know.
You have to.
I don't know.
No, you don't understand it. You
Yeah.
have to.
So here's the other interesting thing:
You
is
make a choice.
the Toyota Trail Hunters are supposed to be coming out.
Yeah.
They have those ARB shocks on them that are on the Trail Hunter, big bodied, aluminum, JCO, RCO, full technology. I think that truck has better shocks than the Foxes on the TRD Pro. They're old man emu. No, they're not.
Oh, they're Bilstein,
They're
aren't
Bilsteins. And Bilstein can't tell that story. But
we
the Truck
can.
Show podcast can.
Right?
We may do a deep dive at some point on the Bilsteins the old man emus that are on the Trail Hunter, and tell you why those shocks are so freaking awesome.
they? Interesting.
That might be one of the best factory shocks that you can get on any truck.
Can we? So someone from Bilstein will not come on the show to talk about it unless we change their voice.
Let's just say they can't say things that we can say.
Okay. So Sean Holman will be doing the deep dive. So you're going to get on the scuba tank and go take us all the way to the bottom.
I'm just saying that the stickers on the shock are not the shock. It's all Bilstein technology in there.
No smoke and mirrors.
I mean, it's all marketing. It's kind of sad.
No, it's not.
You'd think that there'd be some like sticker like made by Bilstein.
Oh,
But
I see what you're
there's
saying.
nothing. It's old man emu, which it's not. So anyway, just that little interesting side story. Hey, Lightning, have you heard?
No, negative.
So have you seen those ridiculous AI photos of the Caterpillar truck?
Yes.
Oh my God, they're
Yes.
yellow and they're horrible, and it's like it has a cat logo on the grill, and then the hood says Tipler because they can't do spelling.
Right, but
AI
boy,
sucks.
there are a lot of people think it's real, just like the way the TRXs do wheelies.
Dude, it's on the video game thing.
Yeah.
They're like, yo, dude, did you see this video where it hopped off the freeway to the lower freeway?
So
I'm
many
like, stop
times
it.
I've had everyone I know is like,
So-
I can't. Could your TRX really do that? I'm like, dude, you understand that's GTA, right?
Yeah, it's just not even.
It's Grand Theft Auto.
I don't know if this was a hoax or it was AI or somebody thought it was funny. I've literally had neighbors stop me in my driveway who know what I do and go, so, hey, what do you know about that Caterpillar truck?
You're like, it's AI.
And I'm like, yeah, it's not real. I've had people DM me. I've had emails. Guys, Caterpillar's not building a truck. Like, they're not building a mid-size or full-size pickup truck. It's not happening. Tell your friends.
And if they
stop
did,
the spread.
If they did, would people buy it?
I mean, they might.
Some would.
I mean, I don't know, but it's I'm tired of hearing about it, I guess.
Is this the type of thing that's gone so viral that GM, Ford, or Ram would actually private label a truck to Caterpillar, or just badge it with?
No, they're saying that it would be a Caterpillar truck with Caterpillar engine, or it's not. So just so tell your uncle and your grandpa and all the people that are asking you, it's not real.
No, but I mean, this could be like the public could will this into reality.
No, they cannot.
No?
Caterpillar does not have a manufacturing line for a small
Again,
pit.
I know that, but like Ford, GM, Ram.
Oh
could.
yeah, because all three of those are going to take up their own capacity to make a white label truck for a competitor.
True. Move on. You're right. You're absolutely right.
Hey, Lightning, have you heard?
No!
No. Oh, no, what?
Just another Ford recall.
Oh, no.
Well, funny you played that one because that's actually the sound the valves are making inside of one of the 90,736 vehicles with intake valve issues that might break. And so that impacts 21 to 22 Bronco, F-150, Edge, Explorer, Nautilus, Aviator, any of the vehicles equipped with either a 2.7 or 3-liter Nano EcoBoost engine. So the thing is like, hey, here's a tune for $825, and also here's an intake valve package. Like, you just do them at the same time,
Right, yes.
You're like, I would tell Ford, if you're replacing my engine, just Goodwill me that tune while it's in the shop.
They might.
All right,
Some
Make
might.
me happy?
If I were a dealer, yeah.
That's what I'm saying,
What's
guys.
the profit on that tune?
Ask.
It's just ones and zeros. It's just an upload.
Yeah, you gotta do it anyway. Just saying. All right, Lightning. Have you heard?
No, that's the warranty department, by the way.
No, is that what that was?
Yeah.
We had previously talked about how Ford had postponed the electric 3-row SUV. I guess it's officially dead now. And so there's a few Ford EV and hybrid vehicle announcements that came out in the past week. And it says that it's delaying production for the next generation electric pickup on the T3. So that would be the Lightning successor. That would be built on a dedicated EV platform instead of a modified F-150 platform. So that's pushed back apparently around a year and a half. So late 27, something like that, early 28. We did talk about, I think in the last episode, the midsize truck that was under development. That also looks like 2027. But instead of that 3-row electric SUV, Ford says it's now turning its attention to hybrids for future 3-row offerings.
Isn't that fancy?
Yeah.
Interesting how they've all come around. Like, you and I were sitting here a year ago, and you were saying hybrid's the answer, hybrid's the answer. And a lot of the guests that were coming on the show were like, hybrid is the answer. It's the bridge, right? And look at that. Lo and behold, they're focusing on hybrids.
Well, they're going back to it. So according to this article, it said that Ford's committed to updating and evolving its current EVs. So that's the Mustang Mach-E, the Ford F-150 Lightning, and then a commercial van that they've been planning for 26. And Ford also said that the Tennessee production facility that was originally meant to begin some vehicle assemblies, that now it only plans to do battery cell production there for 2025. So it sounds like they built a big building and now...
Oh, listen carefully to the tree huggers.
So what's interesting is it says Ford says they'll take a special non-cash charge of about $400 million for the write-down of certain product-specific manufacturing assets that were planned for the all-electric 3-row SUV. And then it says additional actions could result in expenses of up to $1.5 billion. But Ford says it'll reduce expenditures on EVs from 40% to 30%, and they hope that those moves will make it profitable in the future. So that is that's tough, man. That's tough. Hey, Lightning, have you heard?
No, and I don't care.
No,
Oh, in that case, we should just end the show.
No. I please give me another.
All right, one last Ford piece for you that is going to make everybody just freaking freak out.
Another Ford piece.
This is a patent.
Oh.
You know how you love patent.
Yeah, I do. Tell me about some patent action.
Well, Ford has filed for a new patent that shows a system that uses your destination, route speed, travel history, location, traffic, and more to determine the type of ads to show you in your car.
Oh, no.
And how many to display
Oh, no.
on the various screens.
No.
If that doesn't kill new car sales.
No.
Welcome to Barnes and
No.
Is that Ford laughing at you? Yeah, we can all hope this one stays a patent.
Oh, no.
And unlike Ford, this show doesn't have more than 4 ads.
The Truck Show Podcast is a production of Truck Famous LLC. This podcast was created by Sean Holman and Jay Tillis with production elements by DJ Omar Khan. If you like what you've heard, please open your Apple Podcast or Spotify app and give us a 5-star rating. And if you're a fan, there's no better way to show your support than by patronizing our sponsors. Some vehicles may have been harmed during the making of this podcast.